Hi, Craig Covey here. Delighted to be with you. And today I'd like to share with you a quick tip regarding your roof. On your roof, you have what's called flashing. And the flashing is where two parts of your roof are joining each other, usually like a roof line and a wall, roof line and a chimney, etc. And that flashing is used to help protect that crease where those 2 points are joining each other, and to help with that flashing to help seal off from water and other elements or creatures from getting in is caulking. And the caulking is the weakest point of it. It's the weakest point of the whole roof. And our Texas weather gives that caulking a beating. Our Texas cold causes it to dry out and crack and pull apart, and our Texas heat causes it to expand and then contract, thus creating these gaps or openings in the caulking, which allows water to get in behind this flashing. Same thing around the vent boot jacks. You always want to get those checked out as well. The part that I usually see it occurring is around the chimney. So I recommend that you get a roofer every 4 years, like an election year. So this year being an election year, I'd recommend you have a roofer come over and check out your caulking and everything else on your roof altogether. Might cost you a couple $100 for them to do the caulking, to update it, but it's well worth it because it'll save you thousands of dollars in the long run of water getting into the home, and you won't see it until it shows up on the walls or the ceiling. Not only that, but you also get the added benefit of now having a relationship with the roofer, so that if you do experience a hurricane or strong windstorm, a hailstorm, and you want to get your roof checked out, you've got a roofer that you'd be able to call on, that you've got a relationship with, that is somebody you can trust to be able to come over and help get you taken care of. So that's it. Just want to add this in. We've done other videos to be able to talk about the best practice for mulching to help safeguard your home with mulching, and to check out your AC unit to make sure that you don't find it overflowing on you from up in the attic. I'll put a link here for those videos. And if there's anything else, please leave a comment below. We'd love to be able to help you out. These are just tips to help safeguard you from having a possible expensive claim or having an expensive, costly repair that may not be covered under a claim. And tune in for other videos as I do get into more detail about claims and other parts of insurance policies. Until then, take care, and we'll see you soon.